some more support for how to work in this course and know what is a graded item and what is a practice item just for your use, you're going to want to follow your learning plan contract. Every course has this, and your learning plan contract, or LPC, will be modified for you individually as you progress through the course, should you need it. Also, your monthly module page will also tell you what assignments to do when. So let's look at an example of an LPC. Let's move this over here. So here's an LPC for a course. I believe this is an Algebra 2 course. So in September, it says to complete these items. Notice it tells you whether you're going to be working in Apex, complete a study, a checkup, and a quiz in Apex, your math textbook. And then there will be other items listed here. Notice this doesn't say Apex, so these are items to complete in Canvas. Anything with an FA means formative assessment, is practice. Anything with an SA is summative assessment. That item goes in your gradebook. Any summative assessments can also be retaken. That means your Apex quizzes that you're going to see do not go in your gradebook, your overall gradebook, your Canvas gradebook. Your Apex quizzes are feedback for you to know if you are ready to move on. Number 2 on here, how to work in your course. All of your assessments and assignments are open note, so even more reason for you to be taking notes and creating a good organizational system as you work through the course. And lastly, number 3 here, your final grade in your Canvas math class is made up of your summative assessments. So anything that has an SA on your learning plan contract or in your modules goes into your gradebook. In Apex, there's very few items that are summative assessments. However, at the end of every unit, you will have a computer scored test, also called a CST. That score is a summative assessment. It will go in your gradebook. There's also summative assessments throughout your course. So let's look where those are. So I'm going to click on modules. And let's look at the September module for this course that we're looking in. I think this is an Algebra 1 class here. All right, I'm going to scroll down. So in September, notice your modules are even broken down by week. So this week, complete this. This week, complete this. And these are Apex lessons to complete. And then you'll notice you're going to do this Apex lesson 1.3. When you're done with that lesson, you're going to come back into this space, Canvas, and complete this summative assessment. This is like a quiz or an assignment that counts for your grade because it says SA, and it can be retaken. Keep that in mind. Typically, retakes don't happen until you work with me and we identify what you need to practice before you retake. Then notice you have lesson 1.4 in Apex to complete, a review, and then you have a CST. So at this point, you're going to complete the CST in Apex, and then you're going to report your score here. And this is a summative assessment. That means that score goes into your gradebook. So that's how all the components work together and how you're going to know when to complete what items. The next video is going to take you on a tour through your Apex math textbook.